And the need to attain a literate society was tackled in a forum at the teachers' camp in Baguio City. The full report from Jonathan Llanes.
The Education Department's implementation of K-12 is seen by the Aquino administration as a key strategy to improve human development and social services through an educated society and decreases the rapid growth rate of poverty in the country while increasing involvement of the Filipinos into the growth process of the country. This was one of the key areas discussed in the National Literacy Conference held at the Teachers Camp in Baguio City, aside from the problems encountered by LCC coordinators in implementing educational programs and on how to solve these obstacles. Norma Salcedo, LCC Head Secretariat, said the continuous focus of the Education Department in improving its programs strengthen LCC's goal of establishing and sustaining responsible overall policy directions and coordination of efforts among major stakeholders towards an attainment of a literate.
Yung tinutungo natin ngayon ay we really want to emphasize na makapokus tayo sa K-12 kasi nga yun ang ating talagang kasama sa 10-point agenda ng ating presidente at syempre naman kailangan natin magkaroon ng quality education gaya siguro nung narinig ninyo kanina kila Yusek Rivera at saka yun ngayon dinidiscuss ngayon ay talagang kailangan ay magkatipon-tipon tayo para magkaroon tayo ng magandang kinabukasan para sa ating mga kabataan at kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan.
Salcedo expressed the structural changes implemented by the government will help attain a high and sustained economic future that would provide productive employment through a universalized literacy program. This, she added, will prepare the future human resource of the country to be competitive in generating employment.
Kasi ang focus natin ngayon, 2030 National Literate Conference is about the literacy for inclusive growth in line with the 2013 SONA ng ating presidente. At makikita nyo naman talaga, pag sinabi natin ganyan na inclusive growth, gaya nung binanggit ko nga kanina, walang maiiwan, lahat kasama, lahat kasangkot, lahat ay may pagtutulungan.
From the city of Baguio for the People's Jonathan Llanes.